Hello friends, today we will make an Eid greetings. Let's start with making the star. We will need a half a square, 6 pieces. We will cut the square into half, 3 of each color. We will fold the square lengthwise into a book fold. Open. You will fold it into half, another book fold, and then a cupboard fold to get the 3/4 mark. That is the 3/4 mark. You will make a house fold on the other side. Bring the tip to the 3/4 point or the 3/4 point. Press it. Turn it over. Again you will make the house fold. Press. Now you will divide the top 2 angles again, bringing the outer edges to the central line. Now you will turn over and you will fold it 3 times, putting it under the flap. That's the first time. Make sure it's in line. Second time, under the flap. Push it as far as it can go in. And a third time. You will need to make 6 units, 3 of each color. You will take the first 2 units, take the left arm and put it to the right pocket of the first unit, turn over, lift the flap and put the right arm under the flap. Turn over again, take the third unit, repeat the same thing, into the first pocket, turn over, lift the flap, swirl it around and slide it into the pocket. Again turn over, take the next unit, arm into the pocket, turn over, lift, put the arm under the flap. You will do the same with the 5th one. And the 6th one. Now the 6th one and the 1st one. The 1st one will go inside the 6th one. Into the pocket. Push it inside. Turn over. Lift the flap. And put the arm inside. And your star is ready. Now let's make the moon. You will take a plate and make 2 crescent or semicircular lines and cut it. You will place the moon and the star in whichever way you want. Paste it and write your greetings. I hope you enjoyed making the star and the moon. Please subscribe. It's fun to learn. Eid Mubarak to everyone.